What up, Infinite Family, Infinite Mafia, Infinite Gang? It's your boy, Auto Infinite. Today, we're going to talk about the benefits of NEXO banking. And hopefully, you do get something out of it. So, let's not waste no time. Let's get right into it. 1. NEXO banking decreases debt rapidly. So, let's say you got a 30-year mortgage. And you want to pay it off quicker, right? You can do that with NEXO banking. You can do that with NEXO banking. Using your own money, you can use your own money to pay down your debt quickly and not lose the money. So with NEXO, what we're doing, we're parking that money in there, borrowing from that, and we keep that money forever. And with that money that we borrowed from it, we can pay down debt. Number 2, NEXO banking increases the principal paid. So what we're going to do, we're throwing more money to the principal. What that's going to do, that's going to cancel out that interest. So to further explain what we're not doing, we're not making extra payments on the 1st, the 15th, or something like that. This is not debt snowballing, right? This is not that Dave Ramsey get up. This is different. This is chunking towards that mortgage, that car loan or whatever, and getting that principal, eating at that principal, getting that principal down. So we're not getting that much interest accrued on that certain account. So keep that in mind. Number 3, NEXO banking increases the monthly cash flow. So what's going to happen is, as you take this NEXO money and you pay down that debt, you're going to free up cash. Because you're freeing up that cash, how much you owe is decreasing. So it's doing two things. You're freeing up the cash and you're lowering the debt. So that means that's more money in your pocket every month. Because once you make a big payment down on a debt, what happens then? The interest goes away. Because they can't charge interest on money that you paid them back. Right? Increase your monthly cash flow with NEXO. Number 4, NEXO banking increases cash availability. So it sounds very similar to the last one, but it's different. So with NEXO banking, you will have access to more cash. All right. This is extremely important in creating an emergency fund. So unlike an amortized loan, car loan, student loan, mortgage, etc., when you put money into the loan, you can't take it back out. All right. So if I put that money in there and I pay that down, I can't take that money back out and use it again. With NEXO, not only am I keeping that money because I'm not withdrawing from my NEXO account, I'm just borrowing, but I'm increasing my cash availability, right? Because I'll still have access to the funds once I pay it back. I still have access to that. I just got to pay it back. So I'm really just paying myself back. I'm not paying them much of anything, right? Pretty freaking sweet, right? Number 5, NEXO banking creates financial independence. So think about it like this. When you pay down your debt, what happened? You got more money. Well, what if you use that debt? Well, what if you use that NEXO money to create some wealth? Whether it be a masternode investing, whether it be, if you do private lending, you might do real estate, whatever you do, you can use this NEXO money to help create that financial independence, and you don't lose any money in the process because the money stays in the NEXO and it grows within the NEXO account. But you got to follow my strategy. You got to go back, watch my videos, and go see how I set up the Nexo account, how I put the money in there, and how I borrowed from it. Go watch those videos. If you do need help, hit me up directly. Number 6, Nexo banking reduces stress. Bottom line, when you have more money in your bank account and your debt is paid, you're less stressed. Because now you're not thinking, oh my goodness, oh my Lord, I don't have no money right now. How I'm gonna pay for all this. You got the money. It's sitting right there. And you don't have to lose it. Now you're playing the game with free money. You understand? Is that resonating? By putting the money in the Nexo account, letting it grow in there, and then borrowing from that to pay for things, you're reducing your stress. You're not worried about that car note no more, because you're paying that down. And the money that you're using to pay it down is growing. Your wallet value growing. But again, you got to go back. You got to watch the videos. You got to go attack the process. But once you get the outline and you get in the rhythm of doing it, you'll see, man, your stress going to go way down. Stress gone. Non-existent. Kaputs. Boom. All right? All right. Hopefully you get it. If you don't get it, you will get it. This is just a quick video I just wanted to drop on y'all. Benefits of Nexo banking. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If something that I said resonated with you, leave a like, comment, leave a question. If you have questions, leave a video topic that you would like me to discuss with Nexo banking. If you want to get up with me directly, join my server. I got some good people in there along with myself that understand the strategy. You can always reach out to one of them within the club, join the family or whatever. Have some fun. We joke around in there. We do a lot of different things in there. It's a big old party in the server. Infinite Island. Infinite Island is the name of the server, because it's an island. It's us. We're sectioned off. You know what I mean? No weirdos. Only smart people. Only people wanting to increase their knowledge of financial literacy. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I mean? Do you understand? Does it resonate? Anyway, man, I'm up off here. It's your boy Auto Infinite. I'm out.